guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a get ready with me to stream on Twitch. I just wanted to do this for fun and also kind of like a nighttime routine, since for streaming I do a little bit more makeup just because I'm on camera or I'm streaming. So let's go ahead with this video. Okay, so once again, I'm always using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer. Now for quite a bit of time now, I would say for a solid 2 to 3 months, I was actually just using the Glossier concealer just underneath my eyes and spot concealing. I just kind of got tired of using a foundation on my face, to be honest. Recently I went back and I used this, and wow, this tinted moisturizer doesn't even have a lot of coverage at all, but because it just helps even out the skin, it just looked so pretty on the skin, and I absolutely love that. So I'm back on the tinted moisturizers grind again, and I love it. I'm gonna go ahead and use my RCMA powder to set my face. Compared to my regular makeup versus my streaming makeup, I would say the biggest difference is that I apply way more blush on my face than I normally do, at least so that it like really pops out. Some days I will wear lashes just so that it gives me more flair to my eyes. How I like to kind of like set it out is that like if I'm wearing like a more boring t-shirt, I might wear some lashes just to enhance the overall look or something and wear more simple makeup. But if I'm wearing a more like extravagant shirt, should we say, then I will wear more like basic makeup. Now today I'm actually not going to be wearing lashes. It's because I'm actually going to be doing my hair that statement is already going to be doing a lot for myself. I'm always using the M's Cosmetic Divine Skies eyeshadow palette. Now this is so beat up, love it to death, but I use this all the time. It still is one of my favorite everyday palettes, and I would still recommend this all the time. I think if you guys have seen my video review on it, you guys can see a more in-depth of all of the shades and stuff. I know that M Cosmetics just came out with a neutral palette, but I'm not going to be purchasing that because I don't wear a lot of neutrals. I really like a lot of warmth and pink on my eyes. I use the Faded Clementine quite a bit, but once again, I wish it was just a little bit more orangey for my taste and not so berry toned as well. But it's still really pretty, but this one definitely is a win in my book. I am going to be running this pink shade right here, this pink shimmer shade, just all over my eyes. A brush just doesn't do glittery eye shades justice at all. This is with a brush, and I'm going to be applying it with my fingers. Now it's gonna make such a difference. Like, look at that, you can already see how shiny that is. I was feeling kind of lazy and I was like, maybe a brush would be sufficient, but no, it just never does. This is how pretty it is. I absolutely love it so much. Like, this is so good. And then with the leftover, I'm just gonna apply it right underneath my eyes just to use up some more eyeshadow. I've been trying a lot of different makeup looks and techniques recently, so I don't know, I really like that. Next up, I'm gonna use this brown shade as my eyeliner. Once again, I'm always using eyeshadow as eyeliner. I see this every single video because I don't know who watches. I would recommend using black eyeliner because it's a little bit more prominent and you can actually see it versus my eyeshadow using it as an eyeliner. But oh well, I already started doing this, so I'm not gonna stop now. And then I'm gonna use the Laura Geller in Gilded Honey. This is my favorite highlighter shade, and I always use this for the inner corners of my eyes. I think for a while I kind of stopped doing this, I think just for like a month or something, but I used to do this consistently in the summertime. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Volumizing Mascara in brown right here, and then the Wet n Wild Mega Slim for underneath my eyes. So I'm gonna go ahead and curl these. See, I know that the ColourPop brown mascara is technically brown, but I want like a true like prominent brown. Like, it's not as black, but I still want it to be like, oh, like that's brown, like brown mascara. Okay, so for my blush, I'm gonna be using the M's Cosmetic Heaven's Glow Magic Hour. It's already so flat if you can see from the side, but it used to be a way more round. Surprisingly, haven't hit pan yet because my sister and I both use this all the time. Sometimes I like to apply blush either at the apple of my cheeks or at the high point right here to create a slimmer face. It just kind of depends on the mood. I haven't placed it in the center or the apples of my cheeks in a while, so I'm going to be applying it there just for a different look today. And then I'm going to run the leftover on my nose. I think it's really cute. That's a little bit color. So for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the ColourPop Brow Boss Gel in Soft Black. Now this just adds a little bit of more color into my eyebrows and just adds a little bit of more structure. Since my eye makeup isn't too like bold, or I don't have like black eyeliner, I kind of can get away with not having like super structured eyebrows. I'm gonna go ahead and tightline. Now I'm just gonna be using this brown eyeliner, and I always tightline. This is the only one that hasn't like run on me yet, and this is the NYX Slide On Glide On in Brown Perfection. I've always had a problem with tightlining my eyes because it would always just like run underneath, but this is the only one that doesn't, and I really like that. I've tried quite a few, even like a MAC one, like a higher end one, but this one never fails me, so I really like that a lot. For my lips, now this is where the magic happens. This is still a really pretty makeup look, and you know, I could put it on a pretty gloss and this would be fine, but I'm telling you, when you have a nice monochromatic like lipstick, or like, it just completes the look. So this is Glossier Generation G. Now this is still the same exact lipstick that I've had from like 2 years ago actually, and a little bit goes a long way. Like you really just don't need a lot of this, and I know that like makeup kind of expires, but honestly haven't had a problem since. I know it's been like 2 years since I've had this, but I really like just like one coat of this. I think it's super pretty. It's super neutral and it's like your lips but better. It's really cute. Love this so much. But to make it even cuter and add a little bit more spice to it, I'm gonna be using the ColourPop Air Kiss 20G4. The labeling of these lipsticks from ColourPop aren't the best. Like they have definitely rubbed off. I have one orange one and one pink one. I'm gonna be applying this at the very center of my lips to create a gradient effect, and I think that this will be super cute. This is a more pinkier color, and I have a peachier one, which is the other one I just showed you guys, but this one is so pretty. And I'm gonna go ahead and use a lipstick brush just to help fade it in a little bit more. You can definitely use your fingers. I really dislike using my fingers now at this point. I go through phases of I like using my fingers and then I hate using them, so kind of depends on my mood. Okay, so this makeup look is already super cute, but once we do the hair, it's gonna be life-changing. I mean, this is already cute too. If you want just to add like berets into your hair, this would be super cute too, but I'm gonna do the whole shebang. So let's go ahead to my bathroom. So I'm actually really excited because Eva and NYC did send me these 4 products. I love the purple shampoo conditioners as well, and so I was so excited to receive these products. Now what I really like about the hair mask is that it's not super heavy and oily, so I can use this every single time I shower. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the Tresemme Heat Protectant in my hair, and I'm gonna be crimpling it, so I'm gonna apply quite a bit in my hair so it doesn't burn. So this is the hair crimpler. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist. So at the very top here, how I like to do it is I only like to lightly tap it because I don't want to have like a really strong crumple here so that it doesn't look super awkward. I'll only do a little bit, maybe like 1 or 2 seconds, then I'll go down, and that's when I will hold it a lot longer so it will actually stay crumpled. Then I'll just work my way down. So right after that, I like to use the Eva NYC, the Shapeshifter Flexible Hairspray right here. And I'm going to be applying just a light coat on that and then onto the next one. Then I will do my bangs separately since they need to be in their own section. So I'll go as high as up here, but once again, I'm only gonna slightly tap and do it. Okay, so this one is the City Grit Matte Texture Spray. Now I'm going to be applying this mainly on the roots of my hair so that I can get more texture there and more volume, especially on my bangs right here. And then I'm going to apply a little bit the actual crumples just to give it some more texture. I really like the texture of it because it just gives it and defines the hair a little bit more even though it's already like crumpled. And then to finish it off, I'm actually gonna be using the Queen Silver Glitter Spray. You can use this on your body and hair. Super excited to use it, so I'm gonna be applying this in my hair. Oh, I just needed to shake it up a little bit. Oops, my bad. Okay, there you go. You guys can see it now. Oh my god, that is so pretty. I'm kind of in love with this now. Wow, you can really see it right here too because I applied it mainly here. Whoa, this is so pretty. Okay, I want to show you guys an up close of this sparkle, but oh my gosh, I am absolutely in love with this. This is so freaking adorable. I love it so much. I'll show you guys a little bit, especially on my hair. It is so freaking pretty. I absolutely love the glitter spray so much. Oh my god, I am so excited. This is literally so cute. Now I have to film some TikTok videos and then I will be streaming later. Obviously, stream won't even notice, but wow, this is absolutely adorable. So this is how my setup is currently looking. Now this is my sister's setup. So I have the little webcam right here, the little ring light, second monitor with my Discord, whatever, and then Streamlab OBS, Streamlab desktop. So I'm currently using that, and then I have my account right here because I'm gonna be chatting a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna stream here pretty soon, so let me show you guys. My sister is also playing Terraria right next to this desktop, so that is what you guys will be hearing. Yeah. So this is where I have my skincare at the moment. It's right in front of my dresser and stuff. Very chaotic. Obviously my plants, it's all in the way, but I'm gonna go ahead and do my nighttime skincare routine. So I just finished streaming and that was about like 3 hours, which is not the norm at all. But I was playing Terraria, which is a new game that I started playing. Terraria has been out for like an entire decade, but I recently just started playing it in January, so the past like 3 weeks now. Super insane. My friends and I just decided to like start playing it, and so I've just been playing it. I just grind and I mine and I just like do a bunch of like random things. Very wholesome. But on Tuesdays we started playing it, and so I realized I should just start like streaming that whenever I can, every Tuesdays, so I can have somewhat of a streaming schedule. But usually I think I stream Valorant, and even then I think I only play for like an hour and a half to like 2 hours. So today was way out of the norm. Very different. Also, if you guys have watched any of my TikTok lives, you guys will know that I wear this silk PJ set all the time, and I want to talk about this set. It's from Lily Silk. Silk has a lot of different products like silk pillowcases, sleepwear sets, blouses. Like, they have so many things. So what's so special about it is mulberry silk. Now what's important is that it absorbs moisture, is very breathable. Lily Silk is also environmentally friendly and zero waste, which I absolutely love. I myself have purchased this set. Like, I love it so much. I wear it all the time. But they did send me 2 products. Now they sent me the sleepwear sets, which I decided to get blue because it can kind of match my set. It is a little bit different, but this was the closest one, and I am a matchy type of person. And then I also have this silk pillowcase. Now I absolutely love this so much because silk helps prevent hair breakage, especially for my blonde bleached hair. When I sleep on other pillowcases, I get such bad knots in my hair. It's so insane. Literally, you need a silk pillowcase if you have damaged hair. I mean, even if you don't have damaged hair. And for the sleep eye mask, ever since I started getting plants in my room, it needs sunlight all the time, and so my curtains are just always open, and so because of that I do naturally wake up way earlier than I would like, just because the sun is hitting me. But with the sleep mask now, I'm able to sleep a little bit longer and get a deeper sleep, which I really like. If you guys want me to do a full like in-depth e-girl like full transformation video, then I can totally do that. That would be super fun for me to make. But in the meantime, I just wanted to show you guys how I kind of look and how I end the nights, because I never really do that here on my channel. I never really talk about streaming or kind of do like a nighttime routine, so I thought that would be fun. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.